It's got this 2019 Nissan Qashqai in for air conditioning repair / regas. So this originally came in prior to now, with the air conditioning not working. Quite a common problem on these, which is called the sunlight sensor, so something to look out for. I'll show you on the laptop here. We've got, if this fault code's coming up, the B24A9 Sunlight sensor. So it seems to be a very popular issue on the Nissan Qashqais and other Nissan models, and it's a sunlight sensor on the dashboard of the vehicle. So on the dashboard of the vehicle you've got the sunlight sensor, which you can see is located just down here. So what I've done, did some research on the actual sensor, came across a video where it's saying to test a sunlight sensor, if you put a torch on it, that the headlight should go out, with it being on automatic headlights. Obviously that's not working. LEDs don't seem to work. There's definitely a light going on the sensor, but the lights are still on. As you can see, the lights lighting up the sign here. So going into the vehicle, we've got the air conditioning sorted now. The sensor's been replaced in the past. The gas did need regassing, so that's all working now. So I'll make a quick video on this auto headlights section. So it's on auto headlights. We've got the sunlight sensor lit up with the torch, LED torch. Let's move it out of the way. So that's the sensor just down there, the circle sensor just there. Yeah, the torch test doesn't work, as you can see. So if you're doing it in the workshop, obviously you've got no sunlight because of the roof, obviously. And if you've got no sunlight, then it's going to sometimes trigger this fault anyway. And you can't test it properly with a torch. You're actually going to have to get the vehicle out. So we did test it with a torch and it wasn't working. We also tested it outside and it wasn't working, so the sensor got replaced. Now it's been replaced. I'm testing it with a torch and it's still not working. But when I back the vehicle out, if you have a quick look on the sign there, you'll see the lights are lit up. And as I reverse to the outside, so there's no sunlight yet. We're just starting to pop outside, as you can see on the CCTV over there. See, the lights have just gone out now. So yeah, lights are not lighting up. We come back in to the workshop, away from the sunlight and into the darkness. And what that will do, it takes a bit of time, but the lights will come back on. So if you are doing this test, see the lights have just come back on now automatically. If you are doing this test, the video saying that they put the torch on there and that the light should go out, that test doesn't seem to work. It can lead you down a misleading path. So yeah, make sure the auto lights are on, do the test outside. Once that's working, the air conditioning system will start working properly again. In this case it started working properly again, but it did need regassing anyway. I think it only had 126 grams of gas in there and we needed 500, so we've topped it up on the machine now. Now obviously you can't feel it on the video, but now everything's working. It's nice and cold on the blowers. Compressor's kicking in, as you're just seeing the revs drop there. When you switch the AC on and off, you can see the compressor engaging when you switch that on. And when it engages, there's a slight alteration in the revs just there. So yeah, all fixed, all working, and like I said, the purpose of the video is just to let you know that the LED test in this case doesn't seem to work, and you're going to have to actually take the vehicle out of the workshop, get it in some sunlight, make sure that sensor's working, or the air conditioning system won't work properly. Thank you.